This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and going to the three-dot menu at the top right. This gets you straight into controls. Click Settings and focus on Profiles and Appearance because the homepage option lives there. Make sure you have the exact URL you want as your home page. Once ready, you'll change the Show Home button and set the On Startup behavior. This step launches the process and prevents mistakes later when you enter the address. Now you enable the Show Home button under Appearance so you can access the home page with one click. Click the small link icon next to that toggle, type or paste the full URL, use https:// to avoid mixed content, and confirm. Once done, move to On Startup and pick open a specific page or set of pages so Chrome opens to your chosen site. This ensures both the button and new tab behavior match your preference, making access predictable. To finish, use On Startups at a new page to enter the URL and click Add. You can remove other entries to make it the only page. Restart Chrome to verify that it opens to your home page and test the Show Home button. If the change doesn't stick, check for sync settings from another device or a managed policy. Clear conflicting bookmarks or extensions, or reset settings as a last resort. That troubleshooting tip resolves most persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.